Alright, so we got a Dell Inspiron 24 all-in-one. It's an older model with a 1TB hard drive in it. Some AMD a something terrible CPU. Just doing some updates to it. They want it to run a little bit faster without buying a new computer. So this came apart pretty easy. Take 2 screws out and the back just snaps right off. There's the main board. I added 4 extra gigs to already existing 8 gigs. Everything's easy to get to. We have a regular laptop hard drive in here that we're going to replace with a SSD, and most of the stuff's online anyways, but this will greatly help it. And then it'll just be up to that slower CPU, but it'll be way better than that old hard drive. Just look at the proprietary motherboard they have to use to build that tiny heatsink. It's interesting.